They say some hearts don't need a map. They just know when they found home. And that night, under a silver moon, I found mine. When I found her, I used to walk these streets alone, hands in pockets, heart of stone. But then you smiled that starry smile, and time stood still. I heard the jukebox softly play some sweet old tune from yesterday. And when you asked me for that dance, I never gave another thought to chant. I never chifmot saw me cray, so seat on two from yesterday. And if you asked me for that dance, I never gave another thought to chant. But when our hearts found the moonlight, we were strangers no more. With a touch and a glance, we found something worth fighting for. The world disappeared and love drew near, where when our hearts found the moonlight that night. He held me like I was the only song he knew, and even though the dance floor was full, it felt like it was just us two. The moon was listening, and so was my heart. You said your heart had learned to hide behind a curtain drawn inside. But darling, in that tender hour, we bloomed just like a midnight flower. And though the clock kept ticking on, the music swore we weren't alone. I whispered, don't let go just yet. And you said, honey, I never will forget. Oh, when our hearts found the moonlight, we were ghosts no more. Through the hush of the night, love walked in like never before. We didn't need words, just stars and chords. When our hearts found the moonlight, we soared. Some say love comes and goes, but that night it stayed. A look became a lifetime, and the dance became forever together. When our